So, hello everyone. Today we are going to practice a very simple question in Java for the that you understand the traversal. Okay, so the question is how we calculate the sum and average of all the elements in an array. So the question is write a Java program to calculate the sum and average of all the elements in a given array. So the first example is this. So in this sum is basically 5 plus 10 plus 15, that is which will be equal to 30, and the average, and so average is basically sum upon total, sorry, total sum upon total number of elements in array. Okay, so the sum is 30 and total elements is 3. So 3 divided by 10. So the answer is 10. So the sum is 30 and the average is 10. And similarly, you can see in this question also, as the sum is of all these elements is 20 and the average will be 20 upon the number of elements are 4. So 4 5s are 20. So the average is 5.0. Okay, as we are dividing, so this will return you a double value, so 5.0. Okay, will be displayed. You can also display it in the form of integer. So now we will write the code. So now we will write the code. Like in this, I have taken integer array as an example, and now I will traverse it from the index 0 to the last index dot length a dot length. Okay, then I plus plus. This we have traversed. This loop we have used to in order to traverse the entire array. Then I will take uh, some variable where I will store the entire, so where I can store the sum of all these elements. Now sum will be equals to sum plus a of I. Okay, so in this every integer of array will be added and stored into the sum variable, and this is how we will calculate the sum of the entire array. And now we can print system. No, before printing we can also take out some average and store it somewhere, like int average is equals to, as we have discussed, like the average is basically the total sum we have calculated as in the sum variable, and the total number of variables, and thus the total number of variables you can get from a dot length. Okay, and this will return you a double output. Okay, S- like I will show you that if we print it, might give an average. Okay, and also we can print our sum out dot print ln sum. Okay, so this will print the sum and this will print your average. So like I can display a message also here, like sum plus sum and average plus average. So now I will run this code. So the sum is 15 and the average is 3. Okay, so you get the correct answer, as the total sum of all these elements is 15 and the average will be 15 divided by total number of elements, that is 5. So it will give as 3. So the code is correct. So till then, thank you and practice this question.